brings me to another traditional moment involving our special guest over here today, the guy in the cage there.
Oh God, is it one of your kids?
Understandably nervous. It is my great privilege to receive the traditional Thanksgiving turkey.
That's right.
Millie has been put upstairs.
Millie was their dog.
Looking wistfully out of the window, I'm sure. But let me assure you, and this fine Tom turkey, that he will not end up on anyone's dinner table. Not this guy. He's granted a presidential pardon as of right now.
I learned today that that is the first president to actually pardon the turkey. Prior to that, every president was given the turkeys. I guess they licked their lips looking at it, and then it was served up for them. But President George H.W. Bush looked at it and gave it a pardon, and it was able to live out its life. Truthfully, turkeys, they're fattened up, and a long life is not good. They get to a point where they can't even move. But that turkey did live out the rest of his life, and it started a tradition of presidents pardoning turkeys. So let's take a look at some video of these events.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Okay. Okay. Here. So this is Ronald Reagan. These are in the days prior to pardoning the turkeys. Let's see what happens here.
Look, I had a chance to shoot a bunch of you the other day and didn't.
Gipper is always quick with a joke. Not necessarily a good one, but he got to one very quickly. All right, let's go back to the next president after George H.W. Bush. This is from 1996. Here's President Clinton. Oh, here it is. Ah, what are we doing? Who's got the camera? All right. Nice to meet you. Whoa. Oh, that turkey keeps flapping up the business end. Hello. What? Well, my fellow Americans, now that I have your attention, this is so stupid. Your tax dollars at work, ladies and gentlemen. Sit down, please. Are they talking to the turkey? So here's George W. Bush. Just giving him a nice little pet. He's like, you come over here. You want to pet it? Kid's like, I guess. If you insist. Like, the parents are like, how was your trip to the White House? Well, the president called me over to pet his turkey. They're like, Clinton was there? Now, Bush famously had this moment where the turkey's checking out his goods. I can't find this video, so I believe the Bush Library has scrubbed this video from the internet. But here's the photo. Here's President Obama checking out the White House turkey. Obama played it cool. He saw what happened to Bush.
Now, can somebody explain to me what the whole waddle thing's about? Oh wow, that's how they dissipate. That's how they dissipate. They don't have sweat glands, so all the blood rushes to the waddle. Interesting.
No, it really wasn't.
I guess we're glad we have sweat glands. Otherwise, we would carry these around.
If we would just get around to the pardon. They say, enough talk, please pardon us. So
all right, here's President Trump. He's got two turkeys with him, apparently. One of them's called Wishbone and one of them's called Drumstick. Like, how insulting is this?
I want to thank everybody for being here today and wish everybody a very, very happy Thanksgiving. Very special people, a very special country. Thank you very much.
All right, let's see. President's going down. He's going to get face to face with this turkey. Here comes. First Lady's there. His son Barron Trump. I don't know who these gentlemen are.
36 pounds.
36 pounds. A big bird.
Oh, it's not Big Bird. Wait a minute. If it was Big Bird, this would be a totally different program.
I feel so good about myself, though. Are you ready, drumstick? Okay. Drumstick, you are hereby pardoned.
All right. It's so stupid. This is so dumb. Why do we do this? Bravo! Well, you did what we expected.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
Can I get a pardon too? Can you give one for my wife?
Who better help celebrate the holiday in which we break the
All right.
bread for two turkeys named Peanut Butter and Jelly.
Right.
And eventually, Peanut Butter and Jelly were selected based on their temperament, appearance, and I suspect vaccination status.
Jeez, COVID joke.
No, is it?
And the audience didn't even like it.
Yes, instead of getting basted, these two turkeys are getting boosted. Yeah, here.
See, he's trying.
After
I give him
their
credit.
presidential pardon, Peanut Butter and
All right, he's coming down. He's gonna get close to the turkey.
Turkey.
See how big it is. Whoa, that's a big one.
With the power vested in me as President of the United States, I pardon you. I pardon you this Thanksgiving. Go ahead and say something.